how to use InShot for Reels or how to use InShot to edit your Instagram Reels. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use InShot to edit your Instagram Reels. Now the process is simple. First, what you can do is you can open up your Instagram. You want to first open up your Instagram, right? And what you want to do is you want to head into the Reels section, and you want to head into the reel that you want to make a video from. Now first, what you want to do is you can simply either you want to screen record the audio that you want to make the reel from. Now I won't be able to play the audio, I won't play it here, and since I'm already screen recording, I won't be able to show you, but you want to screen record it. Once you screen record it, what you want to do is you want to head back, and you want to head back to your InShot application. Right now you want to simply open up InShot, and you want to record a video that you want to use for the reel, right? First from your camera or any other app that you wish to, and then what you want to do is you want to head into the video option, and then you want to add in the video that you just recorded for your reel. On this, you can either tap on new option, and then you want to add select the video that you wish to add. In my case, I'll just select one from my draft. Now here, what you want to do is you want to tap on the music option that you can see on the screen, and here what you can do is you want to simply tap on music plus option, and you can see there under featured extract audio from video option. You want to tap on it, and you want to extract the video that you just added the reel from. Now I'll just select this video here, and you can tap on extract audio. You can crop it if you want, that you just screen recorded the video from, and what you want to do is you want to crop it to the part that you wish to add, and then you'll be good to go. Once you crop it to the part that you wish to add, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on the tick mark icon at the top of your here on the screen, and then you want to simply tap on save option at the top right corner of the screen, and later on you can edit it if you want any effects that you wish to add before saving as well. So this way you can use InShot for Reels. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.